Hi there, Scott here, SkipperBud's up Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our 2024 Barletta Lusso 25UC Tri-Toons, matte black and silver in color. Get a look at the side here since I do have it exposed. See that beautiful Lusso exterior. Docking lights are built in behind the stainless steel. Beautiful Argento gray interior. My favorite features of the Barletta is a built-in anchor storage in the front. Just beautiful soft feel leather. USB ports built in throughout. Nice armrest here. This one is their UC layout, which is one of the most versatile loungers in the industry. Dual captain chair layout. Beautiful, elegant helm with the Simrad Audison stereo. This boat is rated for 14 people. A little pop-up table there. Nice little spot for accessories for the passenger. Power bimini standard on this boat. Here you can see this versatile lounge. And of course the lily pad ladder, which is great for dogs, easy to get up and down. Nice extended rear deck. We have this boat equipped with a Mercury 250 Verado. Fender storage. Nice spot for your ski tow. Very elegant anchor light. You can see how easy this flips back and forth to make your lounger there. It also lays all the way fully down into a bed so you can lounge facing forward. Built-in wireless charger. A little vent in case it's warm out. Little storage down below. You got doggy dock for you can actually see through the gate, so it's easy to dock. You got a little pull-out door here for dogs. Nice little drawer here for keys, and that's also your access to your fuses. Nice little dedicated spot for a trash can as well. One of Barletta's #1 sellers is this UC layout, so if you haven't seen it in person, get on down here and check it out. It's a great layout. Another storage compartment in the back for either a cooler or anchor. Just a beautiful, well thought out boat. If you have any further questions on this or anything else that's on our website, please feel free to give us a call at any point in time. We're happy to assist, always.